Hello everyone, this is Mamta from Cadd RAJAJINAGAR. Today we are going to learn how to use a section plane in a Google Sketchup. So it is also used for horizontal section, vertical section. So first we draw the sketch, and uh, by using the section plane I draw the horizontal section. So that select the section plane and locate the point and select the move tool and select the point and drag which face you want, select that. This is the section tool usage. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.